Contributing to our everyday lives. Creating a safer world from beneath. Based on the absolute basic foundations of the steel industry. With a devotion to create a safer and convenient daily life. With the pride that innovation of materials will lead to the innovation of industries. Kiswell is connecting the world around you. Creativity, reliability, fortitude, and solidarity. Following the dream of the honorary chairman to contribute to the development of society with the best steel. Starting as a welding division from Korea Iron and Steel Works Company Limited in 1969, Korea Welding Electrode Company Limited, now known as Kiswell, was incorporated in 1973 as a welding consumables manufacturer. With a great contribution in the localization of welding consumables, Kiswell has led the way in the welding industry of Korea. A state-of-the-art R&D facility has been created to meet rigorous quality and technical requirements. With the early installment of inline production facilities and a strong belief in the importance of uncompromised quality. Our devotion in the development of our product originates from the belief that our customers' development becomes our development. Kiswell's early growth in the domestic market has led the ability to reach outwards globally. Today, Kiswell's trademark elephant logo can be seen in 120 countries. Electrodes, solid wires, submerged arc welding, flux cord wire, MIG-TIG, and special alloy welding wires of Kiswell can be seen being used in the core industries such as the automotive, heavy industries, shipbuilding and offshore, construction, and power generation industries. With the strategically placed locations of Kiswell, Kiswell is within reach to all of our global customers. With a headquarters located in Seoul, 3 production sites and a state-of-the-art R&D center are also located in Korea. Kiswell has established production sites in China, USA, and Malaysia. To become more available on a global scale, Kiswell has also established sales offices in USA, Japan, China, Malaysia, in addition to having branch offices in Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, UAE, Luxembourg, and Mexico. Through collaborations with leading companies and organizations, supporting global and domestic societies, and participation and contributions in exhibitions and conferences, Kiswell is devoted to the development of welding technology. With a persistence for uncompromised quality, the world's leading companies rely on Kiswell's ability to provide optimum solutions. Leading companies are with Kiswell. In constructing skyscrapers of record-breaking heights, container ships of 20,000 TEU class, developing Korea's first welding consumables for bulletproof steels, the world's first hybrid cable stayed suspension bridge, the premier LNG-fueled ship, the largest mining excavators. Together with Kiswell, new breakthroughs are being achieved every day. With a half-century devotion to welding consumables, Kiswell has expanded globally while always looking forward. For a better future, Kiswell is dedicated in finding solutions with customers. Through the persistence for uncompromised quality, with the fusion of our products' technology and service. From within, embedded with a blazing passion and belief for innovation stronger than iron. More than just a supplier of welding consumables, Kiswell, your total welding solution partner in creating a better world. Connecting the world, always with you. Kiswell.